Hello. In this video, we will be taking a look at how to install and register SupportAssist Enterprise 2.0. Once you have downloaded the installer, we'll need to run the exe to start the install. On the welcome screen, press Next to begin. Accept the license agreement and then confirm the install location. After a few minutes, you'll see the screen reminding you how to access the web interface. The URL is case sensitive, so when you type the address, it must be exactly as shown or it will not connect. Note that the external port is different than the internal. It does put an icon on the desktop to make local access easier, however. You will need to log in as your current Windows user. Click Next to begin the registration process. The customer needs to fill in their contact info and then click Next. Here the customer can verify info for automated parts replacement, or skip if they do not want this feature. If the customer has a TechDirect account, they can integrate SupportAssist with their account here. Clicking Submit and Finish will complete the registration process. Thank you for viewing this tutorial on installing and registering SupportAssist 2.0.